Hey there folks, absolutely glorious day out here today. It's a bit cloudy but the sun's coming through every now and again through the patches. Just here with the amazing Manticore we've got a 93, 83, 89 to 93. It was jumping a little bit but we dug it up. 20 centimetres, sorry 10 centimetres. If we go down here and take a look, just down here, look at that. We've got a buckle. Oh, it's complete too. It's a cricket buckle with shield. And if I can get these magnifying glasses open, see if we can see any writing. There is.
There's some writing down the bottom.
Yeah.
Wow.
You might have to clean it up some more to get a close look. There's definitely a couple of cricketers standing by the shield, holding their cricket bats crossed. It's awesome, isn't it?
Oh, wow.
Lovely piece of history. It's got something written across the shield as well. But we'll have to clean that up so we can take a close look. And we'll show you some pictures when she's all done. That's lovely. Cricket buckles, back from 1850, 1860. Buckles were all the thing. That's what the guy wore to show off his
Achievements.
Yeah, that's very, very cool.
Yay.
Yay. All right, let's keep on.
Let's keep going.